I'm Patty in Patty's Southern Kitchen. Good evening. How's everybody doing? I am going to show you how to make a 7-up pound cake from scratch. You will need 3 cups of white granulated sugar. You will need 5 eggs, and I have them separated. I'll put in one at a time when I mix them with the sugar. 1 cup of 7-Up. You will need a sifter to sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And this is baking powder. You will need 3 sticks of melted butter, heavy whipping cream, and a lemon, and some lime juice. This is pure lemon extract, pure vanilla extract, and I will use the Baker's Choice for the bundt pan, and this is the bundt pan. I will use Confectionate sugar, powdered sugar, and I will mix the powdered sugar with milk for the glaze. This is the powdered sugar and the milk that I will use for the glaze. So first off, I am going to mix my eggs and sugar, and we'll come right back. Okay, this is the sugar, and I'm putting in 1 egg at a time and letting it beat. And let me show you here. The attachment that I'm using is this, and I'm going to go around in the bowl like this with the spatula. And I have 1 more egg to put in, and I'm going to beat for about 7 minutes. Okay, and this is the last of 5 eggs. Okay, so we're gonna put this back down and beat this for about 7 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, come back in with me. This is the sugar, eggs, butter, vanilla extract, and lemon extract. And now I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay, then I'm going to put the mixer on and kind of incorporate all of this together. And I have a zest of lemon, and this is the lemon that I've grated, and the zest is the outer part of the lemon. And since I don't have a zest of lime, I'm just going to use a few squirts of the lime in here. Okay, this is all incorporated. So let me put the zest of lemon. Watch your camera, Mr. Cameraman. And this is the zest of lemon. I'm just going to incorporate this in with my other ingredients. And I am going to squirt some lemon juice from half of the lemon. Okay, like this. Okay, we'll do this. And you see I'm squirting some lemon juice in here. A few drops. Didn't measure it, maybe 3 or 4 teaspoons. And I have some lime juice, and I'm just going to add a few squirts of lime juice in here, about 3 or 4 teaspoons. Since I don't have a zest, I'll just substitute that. And I'm going to, wait just a second, I see some seeds here that I need to get out. Okay, move it back a little bit. Okay, let me get these seeds out of here. And one more seed. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to incorporate this. And after that, I will be adding my mixture here. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to incorporate a little of this at a time in my mixture here. And after I do that, let me just show you here what I'm about to do. Okay, I'm going to put a little flour in at a time, and I'm going to beat that up. After I beat up the flour mixture, then I'm going to put about a 1/3 cup of 7-Up, a 1/3 cup of 7-Up. In just a second. Okay, I'm going to pour a 1/3 cup of 7-Up in there and incorporate that. Then I will add a little more of the flour mixture. And let me scrape from around the sides of the bowl to get all of this incorporated. Scrape the sides of your bowl. Okay, and then I'm going to pour a little bit more flour. And I'm going to beat this and put in another 1/3 cup of 7-Up. And then I'll put the rest of the flour in and come back in with a 1/4 cup after that. And I'll be back soon. Okay, this is my cake batter that's in this 12-cup bundt pan. Here it is. I've shaken it around, and now follow me to the stove, and it's going in the oven at 325 degrees. I'm trying to see, should I put it on that lower shelf? I think, huh?
I think you should put it right there.
On the shelf where it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. I'm going to try it on that lower level.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me try it on the lower level. Just bear with me. I'm going to change the if I have to put it on another level, I will. I'm going to slip it right here for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I will set my oven at 1 hour and 15 minutes, and we'll be back. This is the finished product of the 7-Up pound cake. It is cooling now, so I have to wait about 20 minutes before taking it out of the pan. And I'll come back once I slice it and put the glaze on it and let you see what it looks like. This is Patty. Hi, this is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen, and this is the finished product. As you can see here, we have sliced the cake, and there's a piece of sliced cake right here, and that's what it looks like. It is delicious. We have tried it, and this is your 7-Up pound cake. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Thank you for tapping that notification bell so that when I upload videos, you will get a notification. Good night.